Hi, I am Mohammed, an Excel expert. In today's video, I'll walk you through our lender matching tool I created for a client who owns a lending company. So, the client needed a tool that he can match the applicants with the lenders in setking without ever opening a PDF file again. So, he provided me with the several PDF profiles of the lenders. So, I start by extracting all of the fields that he asked me for into a clean and organized Excel sheet. I extract each and every PDF and all fields from them and organize them in a clean and Excel sheet, as you can see there, like that. And then I create a user-friendly applicant temp form with the help of dynamic and data validation, so the applicant or staff can enter the data without ever worrying about typos or mistakes. For each field there is a drop down like that. So the biggest challenge in this is to match this data with this lender database. So to overcome this, I write a custom Excel macro to handle all of this stuff with just one click. As you can see there, I write all of this custom macro and stored it in this just one button like that. As I will show you by running this macro as well. I input it the data and just like that, and then just one click and the matching lenders company is showing there. That's how much easy is that. Just this. So the client is very happy with the results that he can now match the lenders with the applicants in just setting without ever opening a PDF file again. So thanks for watching. If you ever like me to create and automate these filtering, matching or decision making tools for you, I would love to.